Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of this Philips hair dryer. So I have been using this hair dryer since last 2 years and I have some really good experience to share with you guys. So I think that I should make a video on that because this is an amazing product. So if you are interested to know all the details about this hair dryer, the prices and the features, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, hair dryers are a really important thing in our vanity because especially in winters and rainy season, we sometimes need to dry our hair with the hair dryer because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है हेयर सुखाने में. So we really need this hair dryer in our vanity, or you can have any hair dryer you want, but this is the one which is really very affordable. So this is the model number Philips HP8142 and this retails only for 815 rupees. Yes guys, you heard me right, this is so affordable and I got this from Amazon on I think 700 or 750 rupees. I think I have been using this hair dryer since last 2.5 years. So I really have some good experience guys, because till now this doesn't have any problem with the hair dryer. So ये अभी भी बहुत अच्छे तरह से चल रहा है. So I really like it and I can highly recommend this hair dryer to you. So guys, this is Philips Dry Care Salon Dry Compact with 1000 watt and it is claimed that it is easy care for your hair. So the packaging is like this. This is normal cardboard packaging and you get all the details of this hair dryer here. So it has a 2 years warranty and I have using this since last 2.5 years, as I told you. So till now it is just okay, so it doesn't have any problem. So here is the product. So it has a very nice powder blue color and also a dark blue color at the back. So the wire of this hair dryer is pretty long. I think it is 1.5 meters. So that's a very nice length of wire. So it has a normal 2-pin plug. So you can attach it anywhere if you want. So that's really very nice. So guys, this hair dryer is not very huge, so you can easily carry this with you wherever you are traveling. So that's a very good point of this product. So guys, I have just taken shower and I have towel dried my hair as I normally do. I just don't go directly with the blow dryer because I prefer this and I will also recommend you to towel dry your hair first before using your blow dryer. So my hair is 75% dry almost, as you can see, and now I am going to use a serum. You can use any hair serum which you like. I am going to use this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I am just going to take a good amount of it. So I have taken 4 to 5 pumps and now I am going to apply this serum thoroughly in my hair. Don't apply it in your roots. So I just roughly apply it all over my hair. And if your hair is a little bit more frizzy, then you need to take a little bit more serum. My hair is not that frizzy, so I just take 4 to 5 pumps and that is really enough for me. So I am going to apply it very nicely on my hair and then I am going to use the blow dryer. So guys, I have applied serum and now I am going to use this. So it has two temperature settings, one is low and one is high. So I always go for the low one because normally I use blow dryer after towel drying my hair, so I don't need the high temperature setting. And I think that everyone should go for the low temperature setting because the less heat you apply on your hair, it's better for your hair, no matter how much good condition your hair is. So I always go for the low one and I am going to start this. So guys, you have to keep a certain distance with your blow dry from your scalp. Don't bring it too close, and just hold it like this when you are doing the upper portion, and then you have to just flip your hair like this, and then you can do the back side of your hair, the back of your head actually. So you can do that. So I'm going to do the rest of it. So it's actually 90% dry now, as you can see. And when blow drying your hair, just shuffle your hair like this a little bit. So what it does, it really fastens the speed of drying your hair. So guys, I have just combed my hair after blow drying, so you can see that it's looking really nice. So this is how my actual hair is. It's actually straight, but not that jharu kind of straight. So it's actually kind of wavy, and I love it as it is. So I haven't styled it right now, just combed it normally as we do. So this blow dryer is such a savior, guys. So that's it, guys. It is that simple and easy to use. So I can highly recommend this product to you, and I have purchased this from Amazon, and this model is still available in Amazon. If you like this one and if you want to purchase it, I will share the link of this product in my description box below, so you can definitely have a look at that. And I have also attached some newer version of this hair dryer in my description box. So if you wanted a better version of this, you can surely give them a try also. So that's completely up to you. So I think this is the cheapest one in Philips. You can find in other brands the cheaper hair dryers, but I don't think that you should give the hair dryers which are really very cheaper a try. So I think Philips is a really very good brand to try if it comes to hair grooming products. So I have also purchased a hair straightener and a hair curler recently, and I am really trying them. So I have just used them couple of times. So I will share a review in some weeks in my channel, so stay tuned for those. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends, and do let them know that this affordable hair dryer is a very good product, because they maybe needs a good and affordable hair dryer for them. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share that. I will love to know them. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.